Since we first announced this one-of-a-kind public-private partnership between the City of Tuscaloosa and the Saban family, we've been hard at work turning that vision into reality. Today, we've come together to celebrate our progress on this incredible project. But first, let's let Coach and Miss Saban remind us exactly what the Saban Center is all about.
There are many trophies and championships in the game of football, but the most life-changing achievements is getting an education. That's the real game changer.
The Saban Center will be a new and more comprehensive version of our Tuscaloosa Children's Hands-On Museum. Children will be able to learn using all of their senses through interactive experiences.
The Saban Center will also include a home for Tuscaloosa Children's Theater. With the inclusion of a state-of-the-art theater and stage, children and students of all ages will have the ability to practice or learn how to operate lighting and sound for a main event.
The Saban Center will also feature a sports science center to study the human body, how muscles work, and the importance of conditioning. Children will be able to match their running speed with that of a dinosaur or a world-class athlete.
It goes without saying that today's children are tomorrow's leaders, but we also know our best leaders are those with the most well-rounded educations. An education that doesn't just include reading, writing, and arithmetic, but also discovery, science, and the arts. The Saban Center will give two of Tuscaloosa's most loved children's organizations, the Children's Hands-On Museum and Tuscaloosa Children's Theater, the opportunity to elevate their services to serve even more children and youth from Tuscaloosa and all around West Alabama. These two storied Tuscaloosa institutions have been working hard with world-renowned consultants to position themselves for the future as part of the Saban Center. We can't wait for you to see what their future holds. The Saban Center is an opportunity in Tuscaloosa for us to have our children ready for a technology-rich century. This means science, engineering, arts, and math. This is going to give our children, our next generation, the opportunity of experiential learning so that they're ready for this century. Though the central focus of the Saban Center is, of course, our children, it's also about community. The Saban Center District will truly be the center of it all in Tuscaloosa with River District Park and the Tuscaloosa Amphitheater across the street, connected by a pedestrian bridge and surrounded by miles of riverfront paths. We believe that in order to move forward, we must first come together. And the Saban Center will bring together people of all ages and ability from all walks of life.
This learning hub will draw people from across the nation to enjoy and inspire learning and to socialize in a spirit of togetherness.
I hope that our legacy in the 15 years that we've been here will show that in life as well as in football, doing things the right way, being responsible and disciplined, showing respect for one another, and getting an education will give you more opportunities in life.
We are proud to call Tuscaloosa our home as it continues to grow and evolve. And to quote a very smart coach who I happen to know, it's not the end, it's just the beginning.
Roll Tide.
Roll Tide. I stole your line.